doing? Jesus Christ.
It's not legal. So they're going to get into some serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's fine, you know, enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you? Right? That's definitely a little bit better. The track in the upper level. That means...
Shit, man.
That's true. What, you know, given that white people are never going to give up on doing blackface, like, would it be irresponsible for at least people of color to make money from the blackface?
Oh,
Just like if you're gonna do blackface, get a black person to do it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, we.
Oh my...
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh, shit. You fucking idiots.
And the drugs. Don't make it so obvious. But you do have drugs. Put her there. God, you idiot. Do it, Charlie.
Shit.
Play the great lottery of life. Come on, Charlie. Enjoy it. Open it up, my boy. Oh.
Oh, shit. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck! Fuck! Beginning of a student's new life as an IT professional, and completion of your student journey is focused on results, getting you from life to unrewarded.
The little dots on that hill. I know the cat. Stop! Stop for him.
You okay? Flat tire.
I think so.
Fuck.
And right here. Not this one, the next one. Yep. And then you go in.
Right here?
Yep. You okay?
Oh.
Alright, hold on. It's okay.
I called into the state police already. That
Выглядим мы все втроем бородатые очень, особенно Юля. Юля, кстати, на нас как-то даже случилось. Ну, он поднял ярмо.
Use the second from the right lane to take exit 18A for I-405 north toward Long Beach.
Oh my god!
Phải nhanh quá.
What? I didn't think it was mandatory. I thought it was just. Holy shit! Holy shit! This fucking dude!
Trick going on here. You know, the American Girl dolls that my daughter used to have, their eyes open when you turn them.
So wait a minute. I'm sitting across from Tim Egan, the Pulitzer Prize-winning New York. You're in a crypt in Italy, and you're looking at some relics, and the eyes literally opened and closed. You saw
Of a 362-year-old dead woman, again, who looked pretty good.
Heavy duty, right? You can use.
They would not give you handcuffs in school. What student are you? What student are you arresting?
Yes, they do.
What student are you arresting?
I have fake handcuffs. I don't have real actual handcuffs.
Oh, so you have the...
You're the ones where you can like press the
I have
Are you fucking serious? Fuck! Fuck!
Что произошло?